Crypto sounds cool, but what is it? Coins? Tokens? Altcoin? Stablecoin? What? Let's break it down. Cryptocurrency is digital money, but not like Apple Pay or PayPal. Those are just digital ways to use your bank. This is different. It's money that lives online, by itself. No banks, no permission, just code. And it all runs on something called blockchain, a public notebook that records every transaction. Once it's in, it's locked. Everyone sees it. No cheating, no deleting. The first crypto, Bitcoin, in 2009. It let people send money without needing a bank. Then it branched out. There are coins and tokens. Coins have their own blockchains, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're used like digital cash: send, store, spend. Tokens are built on top of other blockchains, like Ethereum. They're like tickets, game items, loyalty points, even digital property. They use the chain but don't run it. Then there are altcoins, which just means anything that isn't Bitcoin, like Ethereum, Solana, Polkadot, each one testing new tech, faster speed, or better apps. And not all crypto is wild. Stablecoins are designed to stay steady, pegged to real-world money like the US dollar. The biggest one? Tether, or USDT. It's like a digital dollar, fast, stable, global. Here's your cheat sheet. Crypto is digital money on blockchains. Coins are native to chains. Tokens are built on chains. Altcoins are Bitcoin's younger siblings. Stablecoins keep it steady. Still confused by a coin or token? Follow 1N Block for more.